Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And for those who don't know me, I'm Tulani Kosa. I'm excited today. Like, you wonder why I'm happy. Like, why am I happy? Okay, I'm being weird now. But today we're going to Hoedspruit. Technically we're in Hoedspruit already, but yeah, we get it. So yeah, so going to Hoedspruit. I'm with my brother, and he's like, he doesn't want to be in the video because I want a cameraman video. So yeah, he's gonna be my cameraman today, and I don't think he's gonna be in the video. I don't know if he wants to be in the video. Maybe he's gonna be in the video as time progresses. I don't know. But yes, guys, welcome to my channel. So yes, welcome. Hi. So we're gonna be doing our first activity for today. We're at Franklin Park. Hey guys. Like ilagay na baboon and we both started panicking and we're like, this bubbles are big, so what if like this is the trail we use? That baboon, what's gonna happen? Like, but yeah, so we're here, we're going quad bike. Yeah, we're going for quad bikes now. So yes, yeah. They said we should get here at 10:30, like 30 minutes before the activity. So yeah, we got here at it's 10 o'clock now. So yeah, guys. Yeah, that's our first activity for today. I don't know where we're gonna go after this, but this is our first activity for today. like our first activity, which was card bike riding. It was our first time, like literally our first time, and honestly, it was nice. It was great. Maybe like the route they were using and stuff was nice. Like it was nice, and they're good. Like they would they would wait for you and check on you if you're doing okay and ask if you're good, if they should be fast, if they should be slow. Like they're literally telling you everything that you should do, because really we didn't know what we're supposed to do. But yeah, it was a nice experience. Like it was a very nice experience. I'd recommend it to people to go do it. Yeah, the way I'm loud, I'm not loud. It's like something's off. But but yeah, I really had a great time. I'd recommend it. I'd give it a 9 out of 10. Like service Chabo was sharp. But hey guys, it's a bit pricey, but the service was very nice. It was great. It was great. So yeah. So now we're in Hoedspruit, because I've been saying we're in Hoedspruit. I got Hoedspruit. We're outside Hoedspruit, but now we're in Hoedspruit, the town. So we're gonna get something to eat. Cause I say ja. So yeah. So it's 5:30 now, and we're going for dinner. We don't know where exactly we're going, but we'll find a place to eat. So yeah, we're going for dinner. And that's that. We got to our lodge. It's pretty. It's very pretty. It's very beautiful. So yeah, that's that. Hi guys, welcome. Today is Sunday, and okay, like we went to Blyde River. Yeah, we paid 35 rand for that, and yeah, we went there. And after that, we went to the brewery in Hoedspruit. Yo guys, like it's a nice place. Honestly, it's a nice place, but akunabantu bakufana hina, like nyama wise, like mantusisa khala akudalang man bakufana hina kutelevo, but like it was very nice. They were very welcoming. Like you wouldn't feel it. Hey, you wouldn't feel it. So yeah, it's a great place. The food was nice, and like I feel like it's a place for beer lovers, like Vanwaburanza beer. If you like alcohol, if you like your beer, you can come here because they have like different types of beer. So yeah, that's the end of it. So yeah, I don't think I'll see you again. So guys, if you liked my vlog, please like, please subscribe, please share. Yeah, thank you.